Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make quiz programming game in Scratch, and this is a part 3. So you know that we also did coding first in part 1, also in Abby, also in Avery. And now this is a part 3. So let's get started. First, what I'll do. You know that what we have done, we you understand.
What's your name?
And this is the game we made it. You know that? And she ever asks what's your name. I say Abby.
My name is Abby. My name is Abby.
So
How are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
so Abby says my name is Abby, and then the Avery says how are the products from different countries made to reach another country. So the answer is, you know that globalization. And you can just make any of it.
My answer is globalization. Incorrect answer.
So
The correct
you
answer is globalization.
do you know that I have just made it wrong? And then the Avery says, and I have a score -1. You know that? So now let's get started. First, let's go to the Ivory. This is Ivory. So what I'll do, we want a bot. What we want? We want a bot image. So what we will do, we will just click on new tab and we will go to the Google and we will search here bot image. Now we have a bot images. I'm not go to the shopping. I'm not going to the shopping. Sorry. I am going. Okay. I'll just write. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just search it again, bot image, but not for shopping. And I'll click images. And we have images, a lot images of bot in the water, and I will just search here, just erase image, and I'll write here cargo. Now if I say enter and we have any of it, so cargo bot. There are a lot much of cargo bot. Okay, so what I'll do, I just want go up and I want this one. So I'll just click on and I'll say service. Let me check. Or what I can do, I can click a picture of it. So how should we click on a picture? We will just click on Shift R And now I will click on this picture image and I'll click on a picture. This one is not correct picture. I can just do it again. Click on the picture and like this. Okay. Okay, I do not want this one. I can pick another one instead of, yeah, I can pick different one like this one or another one. That was fine. I can click a picture of different. This one is world largest selling cargo ship. So I just want this one. I can click a picture. So what I'll do, click a picture, click a picture, and just click a picture of this spot instead of, I pick a picture of the spot. And now let's go to the scratch, back to the scratch. So now I just pick a picture. So now what I'll do, wait, let me just go up. Okay, now we are in the quiz game, and now I can click on a sprite and click on upload sprite. Now I have an image. I can go to the gallery and I can just have this picture and I'll just open it. And I have this image. I can just put this here. This image should be here. And what I'll do, I will just name this image. Alright, cargo, cargo bot, because this is a cargo bot. I just wrote a cargo, but this isn't a cargo. Alright, cargo. Now this is correct. And now we have a B about two. Okay, wait. Oh no, 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 no. This is something else. I'll just remove this. And what I'll do in cargo bot, I want a size of cargo 60. Not 160, only a 60. Yeah, no, this is fine. And now I can just make this cargo bot 78 is the perfect. So now let's get started with the cargo bot. First, we'll go to the events when green flag click. Then go to looks category and drag hide block. Now we will go to the every. Now in every category, we will go to the events category and drag broadcast So we'll drag podcast, speak name, and we'll make a new message. We'll make a new message. Message show cargo bot. Show a cargo. Show cargo bot. Now, what I do, I just did wrong. I just write show cargo bot. I'll just make a new message. Show cargo bot. Yeah, and now I'll say okay. Now I have a message show cargo bot. This is fine. And now let's go to the cargo bot. Then in cargo bot, go to events category, and in events category, there will be when I see show cargo bot, then go to the looks category and drag show block. So now when I receive a cargo bot, then it will be shown. So now let's go to the average. So now in average, I will go up, and what I'll do, I will just duplicate this. Where is it? Is it gone? Yeah, I'll just duplicate this. Now I have another one. So I'll go down, and then I'll put this in here. And this is so long. And now what I'll do, I will just remove this broadcast from it. And now I'll just make this big. Oh, little smaller instead of and big too. So what I'll do to the speak, I'm not erasing it. I will write question one. Question one equal equal, and we have a equal, and this is, I'll just click on shift equal, and now I have a equal. So we have question one. So now what I'll do, I will just go up, and I will just say it here, not erasing. I'll write question one, or I'll write question. Whoa. shift and equal. So this is fine. Now let me just make this equal. Now this is fine. And let me just make this smaller so that we can have a space to write everything. And now we just wrote. But wait, I didn't just write a question one. Not erasing, writing question one, one. Now this is fine. And now what I'll do, I will just say, I'll just erase this. And I will say, what? Can you answer me? Not. I will write question two equal equal and and I'll say question two name. Wait. Are we correct? No. We will erase from this block. Okay, this is fine. Name and I'll write here question to name the type of transportation. Transportation. Shown um, shown in the picture. You can also write image. So now, what I'll do, I will just copy this CTR and then I'll erase this and then write CTR. Oh yeah, this is correct. But wait, I have write V for that, and now V is gone. And what I'll do, I have it. So now we copy it. So, but wait, then we'll go to the events category and we will drag show cargo bot. And then we'll go down. So what I'll do, I will just remove this block and then I will just remove. No, I'll go to the Abbey and I will go to the Aviary. Now I'll just put this. I'll just move this or put it. So what I'll do, I'll just erase this globalization and I'll write bot. And I'll again erase this globalization and I'll write ship. Ship. And then I'll drag the ship. And I will go to the operators category and I'll drag equal block and then I'll put this here and I'll just remove this. I do not want it, so I'll just duplicate this block and I have another one. And I will just erase spot and I'll write cargo bot. Yeah, this is fine. And the R block is left, and these two are left. Then I'll drag the R block and then put this here. I'll drag a ship, put this here. I'll drag a cargo bot and then put this here. But wait, why is it removing? This isn't correct. And where's the R block? And then I'll put this cargo ship in here. You aren't here, cargo ship. You are not here. And you are here. And you are here. And you are here. So we just did it. And now we will just we drag it and then we'll do something. We do not want this. We will just this is fine. And I'll just put this in here now. Yeah, this is fine. And now let's go down. And we have these things inside. And what I'll do, just erase this globalization. And I will write cargo box. And in cargo, I left R. Cargo. Now, this is perfect. So now, I do not want cargo, but I want cargo ship instead of bot. And what I'll do, I will put this and I will just copy this. Stop. You're getting out. Okay, I will just put this as cargo ship. So now let's start this game.
What's your name?
I will write Abby.
My name is Abby. My name is Abby. Name the type of transportation shown in the picture. Act 2 : name the type of transportation shown in the picture. Question 1 : how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Alright, globalization. So wait, because it's coming wrong, we just did a wrong thing in there. We just write this in here. We do not want to write this in here. So what I'll do, I'll just copy these things. And then I will just also copy it. And then where I'll write, this is, so I'll just write it here, and here I'll write, and here I'll just remove this broadcast. Alright, let's start the quiz. And I will just erase this. And I'll just copy this. Oh, so I just copy this. I will also say it here. So now I'll erase this V. Yeah, this is fine. And I will also write this. Let's start the quiz. Now I'll just now let's start the game.
What's your name?
I'll write AB.
My name is Baby. My name is Baby. Question 1 : how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
I'll write globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q1 : how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Globalization.
My answer is globalization. Incorrect answer. The correct answer is cargo ship.
Now this is fine. So what I'll do, I will just erase this and Okay, I'll just copy this. And I'll just write this here. Yeah, this will be the fine. Wait, but I will tell you something. I'll just erase it from here and I will write question 2 equal. Quote. Name the type of transportation shown shown in the image. And then I will just copy this and I'll just oh so I'll just write question 2 again. Name the transportation type of transportation portation shown in the image. And now, and I just wrote it, so I'll just copy it. Just erase this and now paste it. Then I'll copy, then I'll erase this and write CTRV. Now let's start the game correctly.
What's your name? My name is Baby. Let's start the quiz. Question 1 colon how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Alright, globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q2 colon name the type of transportation in the image.
Cargo spot.
My answer ice cargo boat.
Done. So now we fixed this. So now it's fine. If it's something wrong, you can write in comments and then we can fix it together. So now let's start the game again because I love it.
What's your name?
Alright, Abby.
My name is Abby. My name is Abby. Question 1 colon how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Alright, globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q2 : name the type of transportation in the image.
Alright, cargo ship. Let's check.
My answer: ice cargo ship. Incorrect answer. The correct answer is cargo ship.
Look. So now it's fun because we fixed it. So if something is wrong, you can write in comments. Okay? Then we can fix it together. Okay? So now let's start coding with Abby. Let's move these things. So what I will do, if I start this
My answer: ice cargo ship.
look, it means peak answer. Look, we did all of them. So now let's go to the Avery. This is Avery. What I'll do, I'll just move this, but I'm not drawing it. And then I'll put this. And up, I will just put this. Or not. So I will just write paste it. Okay. So now let's start the game.
What's your name?
Abby.
My name is Abby. My name is Abby. Question 1: how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Alright, globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q2: name the type of transportation in the image.
Alright, cargo boat.
My answer: ice cargo boat.
Correct answer. You can put more of them speeches. You can put it like a different speeches. So now let's go to the task text to speech, and because she's not saying answer, we can drag speak color block, and I'll copy this and then I paste it here. So now she will say,
What's your name? My name is Abby. My name is Abby. Question 1: how are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q2: name the type of transportation in the image.
I will write cargo boat.
My answer: ice cargo boat. Correct answer.
Look, now she says correct answer. So now you can just put more of them question, a large question. You can also ask names. You can also ask that how are you. You can also ask which game do you love. You can ask any of questions. You can write and then Eva will ask or Abby can ask. You know that quiz game was fun? A lot of fun. We are having fun. And you can also make a math quiz. Are so fun like plus minus, multiplication, dividing. Also of English, science. English you can say ABC. You can say what is C for? C for like cat. And you can also ask in science like which experiment you love. You can also ask about adventures. So now let's go down. First, I will just drag.
What's your name?
You know that we drag it, and you can write more things about science, about any subject, about MSCs. Okay, so now let's go to the operators category and let's pick join apple and banana. And then let's go to the looks category and drag say hello for 2 seconds. And then let's put this here. So now I'll just drag this join apple and banana and then put this here. So I'll erase banana and I'll write there. And that is apple, sorry. There. And the D should be capital. There. And then I will write there. And I'll just write there. I write there. And then I can go to the variable category. I can drag score. I can drag student's name. And I will go to the operators category, drag join apple and banana. And then I'll just drag student's name and then put it here. And then, or I'll just drag student's name, put this here. And then I'll just pick John apple and banana. I'll erase apple and I will write comma your final no score final score is, and then we write. So then what we'll do, we will drag join apple and banana and then we'll put this in banana. And now we'll go to the, and then I'll drag a score and then put it in apple and I'll erase banana and I will write 5. Yeah. So now I will go to So we just did coding like this. So we will go to the motion category, or I'll go to the text to speech and I'll write speak hello. So what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this and we have another one and then we put this in here. So now I'll erase this 5. So I'll erase this and I'll write out of 5. 5 and a full stop. Yeah, this is fun. And now let's start the game. So I'll first let me just save this project, or I'll just write save now. Project is saved now. So now let's start the game.
What's your name?
Alright. Abby, Anna, overcorrect.
My name is Anna. My name is Anna. Question 1 : How are the products from different countries made to reach another country?
Alright. Globalization.
My answer is globalization. Q2 : Name the type of transportation in the image.
Cargo bot.
My answer is cargo boat. Correct answer.
There.
Dear
Anna.
Anna, your final score is 2 out of 5.
So now I have 2 out of 5 marks. Now you can play. You know that quiz game are so fun to make. So please subscribe and like to my channel. So bye. See you next time. And this is part 3. So, but wait, we left something. We can't left something and then go out. We will just make this small. I'll just move this block and I'll also move this block. And then I will just go to the mush looks category and I'll just put this back. And then I'll drag say hello. I'll put this in here and I will just empty it. So we did coding, and so subscribe. And if you have something difficult, something issue, you can write and comment. Bye. Please subscribe and see you next time.